Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tejasvi Tardi, and today we're gonna discuss about 5 important things that every fresher should know before joining corporate. Everyone can tell you how to apply, how to build your resume, but no one really tells you what happens after getting a job. When I joined my first corporate job, I realized there are so many things no one had prepared me for. I made mistakes, overthought a lot, and also learned through the experience. If you're a fresher and about to start your new job or a career, here are 5 things I wish you also should know. No one expects you to know everything. One of the biggest fear of me when I joined my first corporate job was everyone around me was looking so confident in whatever they were doing. And then I realized something. Everyone was having 2 to 3 years of experience, 5 years of experience. They were all experienced than me. It is okay because you are fresher and you are not going to know everything. And also, I was comparing my zero experience with their 5 years. So do not compare your day 1 to someone else year 5. Ask questions early. I still remember one of my senior was explaining me one task, and while he was explaining, I simply smiled and said, "Yeah, I got it." I understood maybe 40 to 50%. But instead of asking questions, or replying, I don't want to look inexperienced. What they will think? Oh, she don't know these things. This is so basic. So never hesitate to ask questions, and if you have question, ask instantly at that moment. Asking question don't make you look inexperienced, but repeating mistake does. So ask questions, do not hesitate. Build relationships, but do not try to impress everyone. When you're new, it's natural to feel like everyone should like me, everyone should appreciate me. So I will do everything, I'll say yes to everything. Don't do that. When I was new, I also wanted people to think that I'm capable, I am approachable, hardworking, and perfect. But slowly I realized that you do not have to impress everyone. Just be respectful, be approachable, talk to your teammates, join them during the lunch, and build genuine relationships. Be real, and do not try to fake. There will be a time you will feel suffocated pretending and not being real. Every time just acting. So please do not do that. Be real. If you like this thing, say yes. If you can do, say yes. If you cannot, then no. So be the real. Keep learning and keep taking notes. So corporate life will introduce you to so many new terms, new concepts. There will be new tools, new shortcuts, new words you have probably never heard. And that's completely normal. You're not machine. We know the things that we get involved into, we have already been studied or experienced. Instead of asking it again and again and making yourself feel uncomfortable, you make sure you note them down, and then later you can just search and study on that. After so many meetings, I have realized, yeah, I forget to note this down. What was that? I forget. How can I ask him or her again? Sometimes the senior one is busy and he is not able to give you the time to give that time. Even when I join with someone on call to discuss on important topic or any task or tickets they're explaining to me, I make sure that I record that call because I am the person who don't understand. I'm completely blank when someone is sharing me something for the first time. Office politics exist, but it doesn't have to be your story. Yeah, sometimes you can come across misunderstanding, gossips, miscommunications, and as a fresher, you might wonder. That might feel confusing. You wonder, should I react to this? How should I react? What should I say? Do not get involved into the office politics. Do not get involved into the gossips. Stay focused and stay away from this because remember what you have come here for. You are fresher. You have to focus on learnings. This is your phase. This is your time, your phase to learn and get experience. I used to think that I had to stay here for such a long time and how can I survive this life? But be real, build genuine relationships, deliver on time, be approachable, and most important, focus on your task, on your learning and your growth. Trust me, with every project, every new task, and day by day with experience, you will get more confident. And if this video have helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.